Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 different ways to create a database in Notion. So the first and easiest way is to, when you have an open page, just go down to the middle and click on database. And this will allow you to create your own empty database from scratch or use one of these kind of templates. And you can also use AI to figure out what kind of database would suit you depending on what you want to track. Now, I'm not going to do that, but I'll show you the second way, which is to just on the page click enter the command /database, and we're going to do database inline because this allows us to create this database on this page. And it also allows us to write other stuff. You can enter graphics, you can track other things. This could actually be a master database which has other databases. And I'll show you. This is going to be the third way to create a database. And it's going to be /database full page. When I click this, this is going to create a new database. So new database. And as you can tell, this is a table. But I can't click on it because it won't let me add text or other stuff like the inline version. Now on the desktop I can just click back and then go back to the page we came from, and as you can tell, this is the new database. So I actually have a database as a separate page, and the inline is the one where it's on this page. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Thank you.